rating my fidgets check. Puppet, make a puppet, yep, 10 out of 10. I don't even have to feel it. I made this, let me show you what does. You press it, it makes a noise, and then if you open it, it is a sensory. Look. Yeah, it's sensory, and that could be a simple dimple. So yeah. So right, just make you can simple dimple. Love it so much. So yeah. Mum's one was pretty good, but it's not really nice in your hand. But it does make a loud pop. Apple puppet, yeah, it was fun, but it don't really make a good pop, as you can hear. Let me show you what I mean. This is the quiet side. Now. Yeah. My favourite orange hot puppet. So it isn't really loud on the quiet side, but it is loud on the loud side. Yep, it's pretty good. Now for my DIY fidgets. Balloon, crunchy balloon, love it. 5 out of 10. One out of 10, and I don't even have to feel it to rate it. 1 out of 10. Pretty good. 6 out of 10. Yeah, 6 out of 10. It's pretty good. And the same as the crunchy balloon, 5 out of 10. 1 out of 10. This is bad. Thank you for writing with me. Bye.